So today let's talk about how to use PrimeVue with Nuxt. Nuxt is a hybrid view framework and it's mostly used for server-side rendering in the Vue ecosystem. So it's a bit tricky to use if you're used to Vue CLI or something else because it has its own folder structures. It's based on modules as well. Let's see how to get started. New project. So let's init a new project and let's run npm install. Sorry. Then we will add PrimeVue and Prime icons. So the approach we will be using is we will create a plugin for PrimeVue. I've tried to work on creating a Nuxt module as well, but it didn't work out. We had a working module for Nuxt 2, but Nuxt 3 is in beta release and there are things that are not working properly. So we left the module for later, hopefully once Nuxt goes final. Okay, now let's see. Let's add PrimeVue. And Prime icons as well. This is the default page. Now let's remove the Nuxt welcome. So to begin with, I need to open Nuxt config and configure my CSS, which is available at the PrimeVue website. I need the PrimeVue theme, the style, and icons, which are here. Okay, that's the CSS part. Now moving on to the plugin. So the plugins folder is a special name. Let's call it PrimeVue plugin. At the docs, it shows you how to write a plugin. And now let's also import PrimeVue button. And input text. Next is defining Vue app. Remember that this PrimeVue object is mainly for configuration like locale and things like Ripple. It's a must, so we have to do it. Now the button. And the input text. And let's go to app view, add the input text and the button. Prime Nuxt. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, so here's my Prime input text and Prime button with Ripple working. Whenever you need to have more components, you can go to the plugin and configure your components or directives as well. Plus, for CSS, you can always use this approach where it will get it from the node modules and import it. Hopefully, when the module approach works, I mean, I tried this one. Library authors, they say you can use the component dirs hook that automatically imports all the PrimeVue components and register them for you with some prefix like prime. So it will be prime input text prime button. It didn't work really well for me. It throw a couple of errors, and so right now it has to be done manually. It's a bit too much magic, and in this approach you have full control about the naming and casing and things like that. Okay, so that's it. So right now you don't need to wait for you don't need the module to use PrimeVue with Nuxt, and with a simple plugin and a simple of configuration, it's easy to use. So if you're a Nuxt 3 user, you don't need to wait for the final release as well. PrimeVue is ready and tested. We also have quick start application here that you can use from the Prime Faces repository. So, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. More coming soon. Thank you and see you later.